Before traversing the entire flower bed, let's handle the first position separately, and then let's traverse the entire flower bed, then handle the last position separately. In this case, we can plant the first flower in the first space. And decrement n. Now let's traverse every other space in the flower bed. Anyway, we know that we have planted the first flower on the first bed. So we are starting from the index of 2. So we are going to check I plus 1. In this case, we have to traverse only until n minus 1. We should not include the last element in this particular check. If all three are empty, I minus 1 and I plus 1, then we can plant a flower at I. We can reduce 1 from num n. We have planted a flower at I. It means we cannot plant the next flower at I plus 1. In that case, we can directly go to I plus 2. Else simply increment I. Now let's handle the last place separately. We can place the flower at the last bay. So we have placed as many flowers possible, and now we have to check if there are any more remaining flowers. If there are remaining flowers, then we can return false. Otherwise, we can return true. Let's try with the example cases. Both cases successful. Let's submit the code. We got a wrong answer for this particular test case. Let's add this into our test case list. And the reason here is, in the while loop, we are not checking whether we need to place any more flowers. So we are simply decrementing and n can go into negative also. So we can check it here also, and n. Let's run this with all the test cases. The other mistake is we are not decrementing n from here after placing the last flower. So let's run this one. There's a typo here. This should be not flower bed of I plus 1. Okay, case is successful. Let's submit the code. Accepted answer.